In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have accidentally deleted some messages on Instagram and now you want to recover those deleted messages, then what you have to do is to open Instagram application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Go to settings. Now click on the search option and in the search bar type download your information. Click on download your information. Click on this option that says request a download. Then click on select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover or deleted messages on Instagram, therefore you need to select this messages option and click on next. Now click on the submit request option. And once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted messages will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it. And once you have downloaded the file, your deleted chats on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.